I know you guys like brutal fights, so we're gonna watch. So we have a Nerf gun war. I'm not doing it. So we have right here. We got top tier from YouTube. We got Kanin. He's from like 90 series, and then we have Eric. So we're gonna start. So go, I guess. Got.
No, I'm already done. You have to hide first.
Okay, you get 10 seconds. Yeah, make sure you don't lose it. 10 seconds. Everyone, go on the each side of the house or something. Okay, you're right. He's ready. Okay, going. He grabbed the sled. Bullet. Okay. Whoa.
Bullseye. You hit my gun.
There we go. This is all with a. Why are you guys fighting on the by the van? Oh, 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 yo, oh! They're going in. They're going in for the war. I knew this would be a great video. You gotta pick up your old ones. Good.
Oh, okay.
There he is, getting a battle plan. And he goes behind the van for protection. He's getting one of his guns he hid. Cannon, obviously not protected. He's got a good gun.
Sniper rifle.
He's got a good gun. Cannon still got his pistol. Oh, miss. Don't lose any bullets. Okay, guys, there is any bullet I find. Guys, I'm turning up brightness so we can see this fight. He's going. Picks up the bullet cannon. Oh, guys, I recommend buying these gloves. They have the touch thing. They're real nice. Oh! Oh! yeah, he just hit you with the disrespect. Truck approach. Okay, behind the van. There. There he is.
I'm going to find a bullet. Oh, there we go.
Okay, they're finding bullets. Is this a Nerf crossbow? I didn't even know this exists.
It's a little thing that you pull back and shoots.
So a Nerf crossbow?
No.
Yeah.
That's not the crossbow one.
Well, it's the okay.
Is there any secret things on this?
Yeah, there is at the bottom.
Right here?
Like right there. Yeah, that's where
No,
you.
that's not what I'm talking about. Like any secret things.
Secret what?
Like secret compartments or anything?
Nope. They're all. I don't have any good Nerf.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm with Eric. No clue where Ken is. He went over here. Oh, there he is. There's our top tier. Wow. Ooh, guys, last time we were here, Eric hid. Nope. He's got you. And plus, I want to tell. Makes it. Where did Eric go, guys? He might have went back inside. Cannon, I got nothing where he is.
What froze over?
That's what I thought. Well, I do know, but I'm never going to tell you. Kanin confused. Yeah, he's got to probably snipe in front of you because it's behind you. I bet he's not in the house. He's not on a chicken out of a nerf floor.
Did he go over there? Are we allowed to go over there?
Yes, but he did not go over there. Yeah, Kanin, I got nothing where he is. Kanin, he left a gun right here. It might be loaded. This is one of my good guns.
Can you take that bullet back here?
I grabbed it. Here, I've grabbed 2 bullets. I'm trying to make sure we don't lose any. This is all, you guys have all my bullets. I have no more because all my other friends have lost them all over the years. Kanin is getting prepared. Guys, vote Team Kanin or Team Eric. I'd be voting Team Kanin. Just let it go. It's fine. Guys, he knocked the pipe over. Huh. I just drop it and run. Just drop it and run. It doesn't work. Guys, this is solid.
Solid ice? Wait, time.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I guess now. Kanin! It's not solid for you. Oh my god. Wait, what? No.
I just took a bullet at it.
Really? Yeah.
It's not solid anymore.
It was solid. It worked for me. Almost no.
Yeah, I stepped on it.
Look at my hand.
Stepped on it.
Well, guys, guess it continues after Eric. It's probably a kind of not born yet, and it fell off the tree, so it's dead now. It's doomed. Well, guys, we are going to have to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. There'll probably be a part 2. See ya.